If I say, please return applause, you say like this. one, not two. What number? 10. Problem number 10.
Okay. I'm very afraid. Problem 10. When there was no listen, my friends often used the class sound system to listen to song in a very loud volume. It interfered other classes whose students still studied and teacher often reminded them. But they still did it. What is your opinion about it? Okay. Listen here, okay? I think listen song in very loud volume is a bad habit. You know, if you listen loud volume, you will disturb another class. Okay? If you a good student, you have to manage the time to listen to the song or you can sing what is it? Headphone, yeah. You can use headphone to listen to songs. Okay, you know.
Thank you, Faris. Good opinion. I think the student is not wrong because we don't know how the student did it. Maybe they want to refresh their mind, and then if they use the sound system with the federal volume, the class have a leader of the class, and the leader must be give some advice to other friends. I think like that. Thank you, Betty, for your solution, and then
Thank you, Nila. I have other opinion about Faiz and Kathy. I think if we listen to song in sound system in the class, it's no problem. In my opinion, it's okay. Maybe we can to be refreshing our brain after the lesson. Maybe, yeah. I think that's it. And then what is it? We must be attend to police of the class. No what is it? No broke other class in there.
okay. Thank you, Rata, and then William.
In my opinion, students are entitled to use school facilities, for example, sound system. But as a good student, but if lesson, students are allowed listen music from sound system, but not to disturb other class who are receiving lesson.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
It's no problem because it's our facilities. But we must think about our healthy. Because if naturally my ear is disease, if in 18 years old, but if we use the sound system loudly, we can make our ear disease in 20 years old. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I think they have a reason why they did it. Maybe they got stressed and they have some tasks and have to do it. I think with the music, it can make them refresh their mood and can feel happy and make them excited with the lesson.
Okay, thank you, Ade. Ada opinion from the boys start? Okay, maybe opinion from the audience? Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Say.
Aha.
Smiling face. Aha.
Aha. Okay, I think the students shouldn't play the music loudly, but it is better if they spend this time to study other lesson and so on. Okay, thank you.
You are a good
Super.
student.
Very super.
Okay, any other opinion from the audience? Oh, yeah. have some gift from me.
Thank you.
You are a handsome student.
Hey, nice.
Maybe other opinion from the audience?
Indira,
Oh yeah.
about Reno said, how about the student if we stress about our lesson? What do you think about it?
I think if the student was stressed, I think the student can listen the song with the headphone and they study other lessons.
Okay. Okay, next question. Oh, Ade, have other opinion? Yes.
I think use a headphone or otherwise it doesn't matter because we can reduce the volume to learn use of other class. Not only use headphone or study English.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ade. Oh, it's okay.
Like Rena said, if we can listen by headphone, but we know if we use headphone, we can make our ear disease too. So for me, it's better if we listen it with slow sound. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Skippy. Maybe from other the audience? The audience? Yes, are you please?
Aha.
Aha! Yes.
I think the class is not just a lesson. I think the student must know about the function about sound system in the class. I think actually the sound system in the class is to use the teacher to teach the class. So I think the student should do that in class, although he has yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ayu. Other opinion, maybe? Other opinion? Yes, Dima, please. I want you to smiling face.
If Miss Adenofia said that, to refresh our brain between the lesson, I think if your friends often use the class sound system in a very loud volume, I think the friends who do it just the operator of the computer. I think not only all of the students, but also not only all of the students, but one of the operator of computer do it. So for each student in the class, I think have interest. I think one of that so many students interest in music, but not all the students have interest in music. So to refresh our brain, it's not only in music. Each student have interest in the other thing. I think.
Yes, thank you, Dima. For you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
With smiley face. Aha!
I think the teacher should give punishment for them who listen to song in very loud volume. Maybe it can be an effect for them.
Okay, thank you, Kinanti. Kinanti, sorry. Thank you. And yeah, Amir, please.
Aha.
Ha.
I think the sound system is the facilities of the class. I think it should be better if the students not use the facilities of the class because it should be should use the learning activity like mathematics, physics, or the other. I think the student, all of the student have a headphone. Maybe all of the student can use the headphone to refresh the brain.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Amir. It's for you. Look the camera. Oh yes, Bima. Okay.
In Kintani said that our teacher, in reality, our teacher doesn't know about this situation. There are some teacher who know about the situation. In reality, we know them. Teacher does know about it. In our district, our teacher doesn't teach in our class. That's not teacher know about our situation in class. So maybe Kintani want to give more opinion about it, how to solve it.
You have maybe you want to respond in opinion? No? No? Okay. Bima, you have to.
Thank you.
I think.
Not this. Like this.
Aha!
Yes.
I think to solve this problem, we can use a high technology like CCTV or webcam
Yes.
to see the situation of class. So the CCTV can place on the teacher room, so the teachers can see the situation of all class in the school. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, boys. Okay, I think it's enough. And for this problem, I have a conclusion. The conclusion is if we want to listen a song with very loudly volume, it's mean it can disturb other class. And if we want to listen the song, we must decrease the volume or maybe use a headphone. Yes, okay, like this. And maybe next to this problem, I want Wilda to read the problem and answer something else. Okay, yes, we're ready. Number 17.
Sule was a rich student. He always brought his iPad to school when the lesson began. He still play a game in his iPad. He did not concentrate on the lesson. The teacher reminded him, but Sule ignored it. He thought he could do all he wanted because he paid. What do you think? I think Sule wrong if he play iPad and the lesson, and he forgot his duty as a student. So the teacher not only give him reminded, but give him punishment.
Yes. Thank you, Nanda, for the solution. Okay, fine. You.
Same with the opinion. I think Sule is not have respect to his teacher. I think it's a bad habit. Yeah. If a good student, students should be manage the time to playing iPad or listen the teacher. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Faiz. Very well. Maybe from the restart, yeah,
I think the
the some knowledge. Like maybe the big university is the president is with the good English play game. Okay, thank you, Titi, and let us please. Mesti pakai Margaret lah. Is it close?
I think Sule is what is it, a bad boy. I think he must change her bad habit. What is it? The time is listen to teacher, nothing playing game in his iPad. I think so.
Okay, thank you, Anna. The question ini ada.
As warning, give a warning more than usual to Sule, because if Sule still play iPad, I think Sule can be better from the last lesson. And iPad can give negative stuff to Sule.
Oh, negative stuff. Okay, it's enough. Yeah.
Thank you.
We know that Sule is high school student, and I think high school student like Sule is doesn't need stuff like iPad. Maybe iPad just for businessman and someone who's very busy. And Sule is enough if he use like a laptop or a computer, and for the iPad it's too much for a high school student.
Okay, thank you, Rina. You have so much. No, please say aha.
I think it is good for Sule to think that because he was rich, so he can go all he wants like that. So he paid to school to get lesson, to get knowledge from school, not for playing, because he can play in his own like that. So it is better for Sule to go to school to be serious, to get the knowledge, to get lesson from his teacher, so he can make his parents proud of him.
Okay, thank you, Mari. No, say aha.
Oh yeah, I forget. Aha!
No, like this.
Aha!
Yeah.
Aha, oh, okay. I think Sule no problem if he broke iPad in school, but not use the lesson because cannot focus and concentrate about the teacher explaining. So Sule can get bad score. I think at the time take a rest, maybe Sule play a game, not at the time the lesson. If at the time the lesson.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy it. And then I want Agit. Yes. No, smiling face.
Thank you. I think iPad is a good technology, but it doesn't use in the lesson. So solution is it can be used in the free time.
Okay, thank you. My solution. Thank you, bro. I want to. No, smiling face experience.
Okay, I have a different opinion with Dina. Dina, can you hear me? I think in this era, it is no problem for me to have iPad. iPad is not for business people. We know that a long time ago, laptop, notebook is used by businessmen, but now it's used for all students even. And I think Sule is I think Sule should manage the time wisely, which time for playing a game and which time for study in the class. So if he have and use iPad, maybe he can use iPad to browse in the internet to search the knowledge for his lesson. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Dana.
Money, his parents' right. But in this case, yes, in this case, it's in school time, in school environment, and the laptop is more friendly to us. And my laptop is full of tasks, exactly, and games also. And I always open the Twitter and everything, internet. But an iPad, a high technology like iPad, for a high school student like us, it's too much. Yes, too much. Not like laptop. It's more worth than iPad. The high technology and everything in iPad. No worth for high school like we students will be good if use laptop and computer. But we know our friends use it for play game or use Facebook and Twitter. How about you? Me as an individually, yes, I say that my laptop is full of tasks, games, photos, music, and everything. Yes. Honestly, I always open internet, Twitter, and everything. But I never use it for another like negative thing. Maybe even if I can have another technology more than laptop, and you can do another fashion, another app more negative than we use laptop. Because oh come on. Because everything in iPad, maybe one or two applications and technologies, there's no in laptop.
Okay.
Okay. No.
I think the other friend comment about the iPad. The iPad can be include the student tools like Encarta, Office, and so on. And this problem, I think Sule must know a time when he studying and he playing game. We go to school just for studying, not playing game.
Okay, thank you, Dana. For you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, Donna, please.
Okay, I want to comment Dina's opinion again. Dina, I think your opinion is so controversial. I have a question for you. Don't judge the book from the cover.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so I think we shouldn't judge something from the cover like iPad or laptop. The problem here is not the iPad, what kind of iPad or laptop, but the problem is inside the iPad or laptop. I think if the inside of the iPad is like maybe Encarta, Office, or Britannica, like that, it is a positive thing for Sule. But if the inside of the iPad or laptop is a bad thing like pornographic and so on, I think it is not good for Sule. Okay, do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. It's
discussion, right? And I think it's enough. So I want to. What about if we entertain discussion or entertain the audience? Okay.
There's a pep in my step, there's a grin on my chin, 'cause I'm happy, yes I'm happy. There's a twinkle in my eyes, and I giggle on the line, 'cause I'm happy, so happy. All around I see, this beautiful sky are made for me. It puts a pep in my step, and a grin on my chin, makes me happy, so happy. I can wiggle, I can jiggle, I can skip, I can flip, 'cause I'm happy, yes I'm happy. I can laugh, I can smile, and I sing for a while, 'cause I'm happy, so happy. All around I see beautiful world God made for me. He puts a pep in my step and a grin on my face, makes me happy, so happy. Yes, it feels so good to know I'm loved 'cause I'm child. Oh, he puts a pep in my step and a grin on my face, makes me happy, so happy. Many students were surprised. Lena was the suspect of this. He got the video from internet. He admitted he was wrong, and that was too late. The headmaster took the CPU and gave it. What do you think? I think Mr. Gunawan can meet to Leno and then face to face to him. And then Mr. Gunawan can give something like advice to Leno to be change to be change her bad ability. Okay, thank you. And this Adit. Okay. Yes, kind of this. Okay. I think it's a bad thing. We are students and we have to know it's a bad or good things. Leno shouldn't enter the video into the computer that many students in their class can open the computer. It doesn't matter if he has the video, but he should save in his phone, his laptop, or his flash disk.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ade. And what about Faiz?
Ada opinion, I think it's a very bad habit. I think that we are a student. It's not time to know about the adult matter. If this mind always ill thinking, you know ill thinking?
Yes.
Yeah, like that. So, community thinking, yeah, it's bad impact for the future.
It's a bad habit. Bad habit.
Already.
Yes. I think it's very no problem because you know the computer class is so to set a file document is recorded with the lesson, and then we know to protect the computer from the criminal activity. The leader of this class have some secret password to protect the computer, and then the computer is just leader class. So we open the computer and then to protect other activities than they know.
Thank you. In the first, okay, in the first, I think headmaster should ask the Leno. Maybe Leno put it for relation about it. Relation about it. And the second, the headmaster must give a punishment like scourging or scourging because it is a bad habit and or a drop off him.
Maybe I want because the time is almost over. I want to the next problem. It's okay? Oh yes, the conclusion. I think you know. The conclusion is what Leno did is really a bad habit.
Yes.
The school was first. I think first the school give an advice. If it was did it again, it maybe can to move on or what is it, scourging from the school. Okay. So for the next problem, conditioner was not good. It repelled frightening noise. Rinjan and her friends had reported it to headmaster, but there was no response from school. What do you think? I think the fun in Rinjan's class must be to prepare with the quickly because they can frightening, the frightening noise can disturb the lesson, and then the student can enjoy the lesson, and then the lesson cannot in the mind, and the student can give the knowledge again because the frightening noise. Okay, thank you, Getty. Nice opinion. Okay, I want maybe not fight again. I want to first. Yes, please do that. I will do that.
I think Rinjan and friend are entitled to his school facilities because he had paid the money per month, and the school should immediately fix the fund and Rinjan.
Okay, thank you, Rinjan. Good opinion, I think. And then, what about the audience? Okay, Reno. Okay. You look so spirit.
I think to solve this problem, we need high technology again. The class can be put air conditioner to replace the fan, so the student can be focused on the lesson.
Okay.
With but keyboard the which is computer laboratory. The keyboard of many computers couldn't be used. Neither the mouse could and the computer often switched off. The impact was that we were often unable to study. What do you think? Okay, I think in the jury computer have no role. So the teacher can make a new rule about it. So the student and the teacher can save our library computer.
Okay, thank you, Shudi. And then the master have opinion? No? Okay, from the audience. From the audience.
Most of us have a laptop, right? And we can use our laptop to study technology and information lesson in the school. So I think the school is what is it? The school has to repair the computer first, And then when the repair has finished, we can use it again.
Okay, thank you. Now, next opinion and next solution.
To Donna opinion, how about if other student don't have a laptop and the computer laboratory couldn't repair the computer? How about it?
Okay, I think that the fact is most of us have the laptop. It is a fact, and maybe not all students have the laptop. Maybe we can share the laptop. We can use one laptop for 2 or 3 students. We can study together, and it is give a good effect for harmonization in the classroom. I think.
Oh, super beauty.
Yes, thank you.
Students did it only in 3 days. Actually, the students used algebra application in computer. They did it because they had to learn other lessons. What do you think? Okay, I think it doesn't matter if the student use algebra application. Being a student is not easy. Sometimes the teacher give the student not just 1, 2, or 3 tasks, but more than it. And I think if we use the algebra application, it can help us to finish the task on time.
Okay, thank you, Ade. Quick opinion. Next, from the question. Go. Maybe now the opinion. I want the audience have opinion. Maybe their opinion from the audience. Yes.
It's the example our education will be developed way better, and it can applicate for our education. We can use technology in education for like this one. The algebra application can be used in education. I think it's the example, or maybe in here from Yamaha, from the other country, can applicate this technology for education in Europe.
Okay, thank you, Bima.